Guys, here I am in Ireland. You can tell because it's so green here. Remember last time, Europe was cancelled.
I've had to make the very, very difficult decision to basically cancel this trip, cancel Adam's trip to Europe. It's not going to happen, and maybe we're a bit preemptive, and maybe he's getting excited. So there you go, guys.
Really weird time. You know, we were planning for months on getting out to Europe on that trip, getting the van ready. I was mentally preparing myself, and it just didn't happen. It just didn't happen. But another idea sprouted. And of course, that is where I am right now, just north of Shillelagh, Wicklow County, Ireland. I tell you, I think we've done well. Living in Mojo, this amazing T2 from 1973, van we just done up, and I think I've been so lucky with this van. With the guys back home, Ben, Jazz, John, Kev, like, thank you again. I wouldn't be here without you. This van and the work you guys put in, thank you. So I'm not sure what style of these vids, or this video, even this video right now, how it's gonna come across, because I've just been so busy with all of this stuff this week. I wanna show you everything, but I kind of condensed it into a bit of a teaser, a bit of a montage for you guys to see everything that's gone on this week. I'm not sure what I was expecting, but I did not expect this. Check it out. This is it. Ireland, I'm sorry. You better look out. It's Adam. Which way do I go? It's like east, right? We're getting fuel dripping from the carbs. I have kind of a feeling that's not great. My indicators have gone. Wow. What an awesome road! Don't do this to me. Just lost my fuel gauge. Let's do it. Alright! I am legally in Ireland. Andy! What's going on, man? How you doing? Thank you for watching this, the first sort of episode of Ireland, this trip that we are going on here. This video is kind of just the tip of the iceberg of what happened this week, and I'm sure what will happen subsequently after this. It's been an unreal week. I've met some amazing people. I've done some awesome things. I've seen some great stuff, seen some great vans as well. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe if you feel so inclined. That would be amazing. This is just the start of Nutjob on tour, wherever that may be. Ireland, potentially elsewhere. This is where it begins. And I want to ask you guys what you want to see from this channel, from these videos. Do you want it to be heavily van life related? Do you want it to be about food and drink? Do you want it to be about where you should visit? I'm going to be finding Volkswagen stuff as everywhere as I possibly can, so that's always going to be part of it. But yeah, is it you know, travel vlog stuff and just how it's all going? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd really appreciate it, and then we can work together on making this what you guys want to see as well as what I want to do. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, there will be some videos. There's like some here and here. You should definitely watch this one and then this one. I'd really appreciate it.